Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money transfer hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to Phonepe in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital payment landscape, this process has gotten even smoother, but it still requires a few key steps to ensure everything goes without a hitch. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just splitting bills with friends, this guide will have you transferring funds like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a Phonepe account set up. In 2025, PayPal has integrated better with Indian banking systems, so let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal app or website. Head over to your wallet or balance section and select the option to withdraw funds. Choose to transfer to your linked bank account. Remember, this might take a few hours to a day, depending on your bank and PayPal's processing time. Once the money is in your bank account, it's time for step 2. Open the Phonepe app on your phone. If you haven't already, link your bank account to Phonepe. This is crucial for seamless transfers. Go to the Add Money section, select your bank account as the source, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Phonepe's interface is user-friendly, so this should take less than a minute. Now, for step 3. Confirm the transaction. You'll need to verify it with your bank's authentication method, like OTP or biometrics. Keep an eye out for any fees. PayPal might charge a small withdrawal fee, and your bank could have transfer charges too. In 2025, look for promotional offers that might waive these fees during certain periods. A quick tip: always double-check the recipient details to avoid errors, and use secure networks for these transactions to protect your money. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider using PayPal's multi-factor authentication for extra security. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Phonepe in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, saving you time and hassle. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.